family, welcome back again to my channel. How are you guys doing? If this is your first time here, you're welcome. If you are a returning family, thank you so much for coming back. So guys, today I am going to be showing you all how to make an hair growth herbal butter. This butter is going to help seal in the moisture in your hair. It is going to help you prevent breakage. This butter not only seal in your moisture but also prevents breakage and hair loss, and also prevents split ends, guys. So if you are passing through hair loss, breakage, dryness, this butter is going to help you with that. And it is also packed with a whole lot of amazing ingredients. We are going to be using some herbs in this preparation. So we'll be using some Ayurvedic herbs in this infusion. First of all, we will make an herbal infusion into our oil. So that is what we are going to be doing. And the herbs we are going to be using, you can find it around you. It is very easy, and you can decide to use the ones you have. So it's not compulsory to use a lot that I used. Okay, we are going to be making use of some 7 herbs or plants. So the first one is coffee, guys. I love coffee a lot because it has a lot of amazing benefits to your hair, and it does wonders. Okay, I'm going to be leaving some benefits of all the ingredients that we are going to be making use of today in this butter will be in the description box. So make sure to check the description box, because I am going to be writing all the benefits and the amount of the ingredients that we are going to be using. Everything is going to be in the description box, guys. So if you need more details of the benefits, do well to check the description box. So guys, the first ingredient, like I said, is our coffee. So our second ingredient is moringa powder. We will also be using our fenugreek powder. So our fourth ingredient will be our cinnamon stick. If you have the powder, you can as well use that, just a little teaspoon of that. Okay, so I went ahead to use some cinnamon stick, which I went ahead to break into a little pieces so that it will be able to infuse well. So the other ingredients will be our black seed. Okay, the sixth ingredient will be our dried mint leaf. Our seventh ingredient, which is our last herb, will be rosemary. You guys know I love rosemary and mint leaf, so I'm going to be adding some dried rosemary leaves as well, guys. So guys, that will be for the herbs. And for the oils, I am going to be using grapeseed oil, my coconut oil, and my olive oil, guys. These 3 oils work for me, and I've been loving it since I started using grapeseed oil. So guys, go ahead to use whatever oils you like. There are oils like sunflower, almond oil, and castor oil. Just go ahead to use whichever oil you like best. Okay guys, so if you prefer to use this oil such as grapeseed, coconut, and olive oil, go ahead to use it, or you can decide to use just one particular oil to infuse this herb. Okay, I just choose to use these 3 oils to infuse my herbs. You can decide to use only one oil. Okay guys, so go ahead to add in your oil. I'll be adding in 2 cups of that. Is not actually a cup, so I don't know the actual amount of that little plate that I'm holding. So I'm going to be adding, let's just say cup. So I'm going to be adding 2 of my my olive oil, 2 of that little cup. So I'm going to be adding my olive oil, 2 of it, and then 1 of my coconut oil. So I found out that it was not enough depending on the amount of the powder. So this is not enough. As you guys can see, the mixture is very thick, so I'll go ahead to add in my olive oil again, my coconut oil, and my grapeseed oil. As you guys can see, I am mixing all the oils together, and it was just a beautiful color combination, guys. So I went ahead to mix it up again and then add it in. So yeah, and after this mixture, as you guys can see, it was so beautiful, and the herbs were smelling amazingly. Like, it smells like chocolate, it smells good. You know how cinnamon and coffee smells great. So guys, my oils is already scenting already. So go ahead to do the double boiler method if you prefer it. So for this infusion, I am going to be doing the double boiling method by boiling water and then putting in the herbs on top. So I will leave this for some minutes in a low heat for it to infuse. So you don't want to burn the nutrient of the oil, so make sure your gas is in a low heat and let it infuse slowly for about 5 minutes or more, depending on the heat of your stove. Okay, so this will infuse slowly. After it might have infused, I am going to then go ahead to turn it on my jar bottle and leave it for some hours for it to infuse more. Actually, I left it for a day because I was so busy, and then after a day or two, I came back to strain the oil, and yeah, that is what I did.
The next day.
So this is our oil, guys. This oil smells amazingly because of some delicious aromatic herbs that I went ahead to use, such as rosemary, cinnamon, coffee. Like, all of these herbs smells great, and it is just giving me some chocolate aroma. Okay, so guys, I went ahead to strain it. As you guys can see, the oil is looking so dark, like the infusion is so great. And apart from using this oil as a butter, you can use this oil in so many ways, by using it just like that as hot oil treatment, as a treatment on your scalp, by leaving it on your scalp and washing it out after 1 hour, by using it as by adding it to your mask, adding it to your conditioner, using it as a overnight treatment, or you can also use this oil as a sealant, apply it to your scalp when you want to do your protection style. So there are so many ways that you can use this oil apart from using it to make your butter. Okay, for me, I just made this because I want to use it for my butter. Okay guys, I'm just giving you some alternative on I'm just giving you guys some alternative. Is it alternative? I'm just giving you guys some alternative that you can use. Okay, so for the butters, guys, I'm going to be using my shea butter because I love shea butter. Apart from shea butter, there are actually other butters that you can use, such as mango butter. Just do your research, because there are so many butters that you can use apart from shea butter, because some people don't really love shea butter. So there are mango butter, avocado butter, muru butter, a lot of butter, guys, that are out there. So I'm going to be using this shea butter, and then I'm going to be melting it, not actually melting it down properly, because my butter is already soft, because it was in a room temperature, so it was really soft. There's no need for me to actually melt it down, so I went ahead to just melt it a little, but not that much. You guys will see. So after that, I went ahead to put it in my oils and then break it down. Like you guys can see, it is not actually melted, because you can actually whip this up. Okay, so it is really not that strong. So I will go ahead to whip this up right now.
This could be good for me. Lately I was feeling like I need a purpose, but when you talk to me.
So after whipping it for some minutes, I went ahead to add in my essential oil. So at this stage, you want to add in whatever you want to add to it, okay? Like your vitamin E oil. If you want to add in preservative, which is optional because there's no water in this, you can add it to it. You can add in whatever essential oil you want to add in. For my essential oil, I added in my lavender essential oil, which is optional. You can add in whatever you want to add to it, okay? So go ahead to whip it up. You can put it in the fridge for it to solidify and then whip it up again. So this is the consistency that we have, and go ahead to prepare your jar at hand, and then don't forget to clean up your jar and make sure your jar is properly dry. Make sure there's no water in your jar before you put in your butter. So this is my consistency. My butter smells great. Like I can still smell that chocolate coffee scent in it. So guys, this is it. Go ahead and put it in your jar. Like this butter is so creamy, like it is thick, and yeah, this is what it looks like, guys. So I hope you all enjoy this tutorial. I hope you guys enjoy this recipe, and let me know in the comment section if you would like to try this out, or if you would love to make this for yourself, guys, because it has a lot of amazing benefits. As you guys can see, my butter is so much, and there are so many ways that you can use this butter, okay? This is a multi-purpose butter. Apart from using it as a sealant, there are other ways that you can use your butter, okay? It is not only to use it as a sealant. And please, before you apply your hair butter, make sure you apply your hair butter to your clean hair, to only on your clean hair. And using hair butter on a dirty hair may cause build up and lead to hair fall. So a lot of people complain that the butters weigh down their hair, butter cause build up on their hair because they don't apply it well. So make sure you apply your butter on a clean hair and apply it to your problem area. Also apply it to your ends. And also, your hair butter should not be a cream or leave-in alternative, okay? Butter as sealant, meant to lock in the moisture in your hair. Don't use it as a moisturizer, okay? So guys, if you have not yet subscribed, go ahead to subscribe, like this video, share this video, turn on your post notification so that when I upload a video, you will not miss it, guys. And also, you can apply this butter as a mask on your hair. You can use hair butters in so many ways, using it as a hair mask or as a pre-conditioner or as a leave-in. If you want to use it as a hair mask, just go ahead to wash your hair with a shampoo, any shampoo of your choice, or a clarifying shampoo, and then go ahead to apply your hair butter. So apply the hair butter on your hair and also on your strands, on your scalp. Massage it well, leave it on for an hour, and then wash it off. As a leave-in, we all know we popularly use it as a leave-in to seal in the moisture. You can also use this oil to condition your hair by applying it all over your hair. If your hair is dry, apply it to your hair and pay attention to your ends as well. So this is going to help and give it some amazing benefits. Leave it over 1 hour. Cover your hair with a plastic bag and go ahead to wash your hair with your favorite shampoo, guys. So this butter works in so many ways, guys. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you all on my next video, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and if you don't understand anything, go ahead to leave us a comment down below in the comment section. Bye for now, guys, and stay blessed.